Welcome to a Batagadian Namhangpunkyong, where a peaceful riverside getaway awaits. Simply scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below to book your stay. Located right along the stunning Namhan River in Yeoju-si, this charming spot offers the perfect escape with its camping-inspired interior and breathtaking water views. The river stretches out like a tranquil sea, creating a calming atmosphere from sunrise to sunset. As night falls, the city lights twinkle across the water, giving off a magical night sea vibe without ever leaving the shore. Inside, you'll find a snug and thoughtfully designed space made for relaxation. The room includes everything you need: air conditioning, a kitchen for light meals, and free Wi-Fi to keep you connected. Early arrivals? Check-in starts at 3 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in and soak up the views. Checkout is at 11 a.m., so you can enjoy a slow morning with coffee by the window. Just a heads up, there may be extra charges for younger guests, as children aren't accommodated free of charge. Getting here is hassle-free. Whether you're driving or renting a car, there's free parking right on site. It's an ideal spot for solo travelers or couples looking for a quiet, scenic retreat close to nature. Ready to unwind by the water? Don't forget to book your stay, scan the QR code, or click the link in the description to reserve your getaway today.